Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network, where we bring you the most relevant and timely news from all corners of the continent. Our mission is to showcase the diversity, beauty, and strength of Africa, and to provide a platform for African voices to be heard.
Right, I have this word for you. Yesterday, we said, be wise. That was the preaching yesterday. You need to be wise. If you want to get anywhere where you want to get, you need to be very, very wise. Very, very, very wise. If you want to get everywhere where you want to get, you need to be wise. So you need to pray for wisdom, asking God to take you wherever you want to be. In the month of March, we are praying for wisdom to be renewed in your mind. Make the most of your time. All the prophets who are doing God's work. I've been speaking with people. They were sending me message, and over the night I've been seeing people sending me messages saying, Prophet, there is this story and there is this happening around here. Prophets need to be respected, and pastors, they need to be respected. Prophets and pastors. And also I want to give a word of advice to the prophets around here in Zimbabwe, and mostly chinonzi Maporofita chinoda kungwarirwa, because ndachitara na maprofita mazhinji, and this morning myself I have almost 1,000 prophets who are under my anointing in Africa, and pastors, almost 2,000 pastors who are under my ministry around Africa and the world. All were calling me, and they were saying of a certain thing about prophets. So I want to make this clear to you guys who might not have time to and the opportunity to be with me. Prophets need to be respected, and pastors need to be respected, because they are doing God's work. Yeah, they are doing God's work. I know some of you were being tempted with whatever that was saying before, I don't know, because I have pastors and prophets who were saying, I want to fast because I want to go and get this thing. I have heard there is this thing that which is happening around. So today I want to tell prophets and pastors, especially those under my anointing, to be wise. This is our preaching on the month of March. You need to be very, very wise. You don't just need to be a pastor. You don't just need to be a prophet. You need to be very wise. I know you are still looking for financial stability. Prophets out there, pastors, don't be tempted with offers that some of people might throw on the ground. Prophets and pastors, don't go where people, they say, if you do this, I'll give you this so much. If you do this to me. Prophets and pastors, you don't need to gamble with God's power. I want to warn prophets who might say, I want to go and try this and go and try this. God's power is not to be used for gambling. All right, pastors and prophets out there, whatever that you need, if you might need money, pray to God. God will give you money. If you need a house, beautiful houses, pray to God. God will give you mansions. Don't get to any tempted offer that people might throw on the floor, saying if I have someone to come to me and then I'm doing this and this. No, I've been speaking with pastors who are coming over through here. They say, I want to go to mountain, I want to fast because someone is saying this and this. I want to warn prophets and pastors around here. God's power is not to be used for gambling. God is a might God who created man, and there is no man who can stand against God, and there is no man who can stand to boast that they are more powerful than God. God is to be respected. I want to respect the work that prophets are doing around our country and all over in the world, and in every country. I do respect that there are prophets called by God to deliver people and to give prophets and to do God's work. May you continue in His grace doing God's work. Prophets, I do believe that there are some people who don't believe in prophets, but I have seen that there are people who can give prophets, accurate prophets. There are people who have done great jobs. So I'm coming in here for prophets, telling you that you don't need to be tempted. You know what happened? I want prophets and pastors under my voice, or anyone who's going to get over to this live recording, which I'm doing here, for prophets and pastors who have been invading my inboxes and were calling me that, can we take on this, can we take on this. Myself, I have around a lot of pastors and a lot of prophets who under my voice were also saying, Father, can we go on and do this? Can we go on and do this? Can we go on and take over this one? Right. The issue here is for prophets. I want prophets to be wise. What is happening with the prophetic? Ukanizwa ndakushedza kuti uyapana uchenjere kuti ukafika pandiri kana ida kutsipika ndoko na kutsipika zvekuti unobva ipapo usisa profita. Saka mukaona kuchita zvimwe zvima offer zvakangodhakwa out there, maprofita don't just take those offers. Kune kunonzi kutsipikwa kana anenge akuda kutodirwa chipo chake chekuprofita. I want to understand. Ndine maprofita andanga ndichitaura nawo amene kuti vane nyayawo dzawo dzavanga vari kutaura kuti azvanzi chizoti da kutaurira maprofita kuti kwanda kuisira chingwa ndichiti uyakutaure zvakati ukasangwara unotsipikwa. Wapanzwisisa ka profita ari pasi pesu yangu kune chinonzi kutsipikwa. Ukaona munhu akushedza, you must be wise. Anditi told maprofita mari kana uchaga mari uri muprofita. Pray to God. God will give you. If you are a pastor, I want to believe that tine maprofita vanoprofita. In myself, I want to believe. Munyango hangu inini chibvunza hangu nyaya, but tine maprofita akawanda nangachitana nawo makuseni vachiti there is this thing, there is this thing, there is this thing. History yechiprofita mu Zimbabwe yakabva kure, haina kutanga nhasa kana mu Africa, yakabva kure ende iri kuenda kure ende maprofita acharamba achiberekwa. I want to understand kuti if you check with the prophetic history uchaona kuti kune vana vakatombozvarwa nemazuva matatu in the prophetic history. I want to believe that if you want to check, you will see that. I want to check that in the prophetic history, you will see gold. Dona ma church gold. Dona ma chinonga gold ma church. This is a prophetic history that you are not going to take. And at one moment, other prophets were even wanting to walk on water, even in Karibo. So this is prophetic history. So ndroga kuma profita wangu wachindibata wachiti profita muri papi zikunzwa zvichinzi kana zvakanzi zvichinzi ndati ndiyo ndizokubatsira hama dzangu. Munofanirwa kungwarira kutsipikwa. Vanhu kana vakuita godo vanokushedzera padhuze. If you read Matthew 4, you will see kuti there was an offer put before Jesus. Pakaiswa holy seat. There was an offer. And in turn of that offer, zvakanzi Jesu akanzi with the tempter, I want you to change the stone into bread. And then I want to see the power of your God. You see? And Jesu wakabva atorwa nobva aendeswa pamusoro pegomo ndobva aratidzwa guta. Vanhu kuona guta iri. Saka nditaurire kumaprofita vaya vanga vachindibata vaya vachinditi muprofita kune maoffers ari kuuya munyika umu. Kana uri muprofita ukadonhedzerwa chingwa uchinzi ita zvakati, don't pick that bread. He said, and tempting offer. Anditika, a prophet will not pick any tempting offer. Will not pick that. So I want to tell to the prophets, maybe they shall come offers. If I can offer my house, you see this is a multi-million house, yeah. If I can offer this house to you, if you're a prophet, don't pick. It's an tempting offer. Anditika, it once come to Jesus on Matthew chapter 4. Saka ndirautaura kumaprofita isanga achindibata vachiti profita zvazodai muprofita zvazodai ndaundi kuyambirewa kumana unotsipikwa. Chiprofita chine godo neshanje. Nditi ukandiona inini chiprofita ukaona ndisazogona kuprofita uzati chipo chaenda chinoenda futi chipo chamwari. Apanzwisisa kama profita. So ndati ndingodzera so that you don't come on knocking kuti ndonai prophet and chi. If you are a prophet, you want to do gamble. Kuna millions emari, not ma thousands. Kuna millions emari, ma pounds. Kuna na United States, kuna na UK, maloto. If you were to use God's power, we don't pick ma thousands. Tinoenda kune ma millions, ma billions ari maroto. Saka simba ra Mwari arishandiswe for gambling. Maprofita vaya vanga vachindibvunza vaya vachiti zvinofamba sei. So ndandikuudza simba ra Mwari, you won't use God's power for gambling. Jesu akaramba ma-offers iwaya. So ndirakuti maprofita wese maybe want to go in the fast pamwe amene zvakuda kuzoita Saturday kana Tuesday kana kuti amene kuda kuzoenda kunoprova power that will be gambling. Don't do that. Stay at your church, pray. Anditika, whether una equipment ye church, God will give you. Ukatenga equipment ye church ne mari yekugambla, ini ndikakuisira mari apa ndokuti do this. Ukanotenga equipment ye church kana stand ye church, that won't be church, it will be a gambling house. So I want to tell to the prophets who are coming to me, vachiti tine nzara ndozoti maprofita muchine nzara dzemari, vamwe wenyu takaropa fazwa we are super rich. Saka ndozoti maprofita muchine nzara yemari, there are offers that might come your way. So I'm coming to warn you that God will not allow you to use his power for gambling. So nedzimwe nzira ukanzwa ndichikushedza ndichiti come on my place, ndira kuti uite zvakati. Pane pamwe pano pekuti vamwe vanhu ukasangana nawo, if you are a prophet you won't prophesy again. Pane dzimwe nzvimbo dzekuti ukanotsika, if you are a prophet you won't prophesy. Chipo chako chinobva chatodzima zvamuchosa, unosara wa blank. Anditi kasaka vanhu vakaita godo ndotora ku Maporofita vaya vanga vachiri inbox vanhu vakaita good with what you are doing, especially in spirit. What do you do? I want you to remember Matthew 4 when Jesus was tempted. Pakaiswa ma-offers, Jesus refused. Jesu waita aitadza here kuchinja iwewe dombo kuita chingwa, kana Jesu waita aitadza here kuzvidonhedza. So offers that might come your way, prophets, you need to be very careful. Anditika mari yenyu ichauya Maporofita inobva kuna Mwari. Mimi na matai muri kwa muri koko, God is going to bless you. I want to thank all the pastors and all the prophets who are doing this, whether muna mata muri pasi pemuti, whether muna mata muri mugomo, whether muna mata muri muchiwakwa. Keep on doing basa la Mwari ramuri kuita rakanaka. Porofita inyika Maporofita mushandire vanhu vanda kubatsirwa, and use chipo chenyu kushandura magariro evanhu namagariro akanaka evanhu. Anditika I just want to warn you of tempting offers that shall come your way. In the month of March, I preached yesterday that everyone need to be wise to run a good rest of life. Anditika saka kuni Maporofita vaya vamwe vachiri kusimuka vamwe vachiri kukura. I want to warn you of tempting offers that will come. Yakamboya kuna Jesu tempting offers. Jesus refused. Aikwanisa kuchinja dombo. Jesu simba racho anga anaro, but akaona kuti tempting offer. So munangwarira Maporofita kune vamwe vanhu vanoita godo nechipo chenyu, munangwarira vanorota hope, munangwarira mafundisi vari kunzwa izwi raMwari vachitauriswa, munangwarira kune vanhu vane godo. So when those people vachiuya kwamuri vanouya nema-offers ekuda kukubira chipo chako. I'm telling you, ukangoenda dzimwe nzvimbo dzekuti unonzwa pano, ukasvika ipapo unobva usarota kana chinhu nzvimbo idzodzo. Saka ukaona ma-offers achiuya in life, vamwe vanhu vanenge vakuda, pane anenge akuda kudira umwe chipo chake, pane anenge akuda kutsipika someone. So be very very careful. Chengetai chipo chenyu, madhora emari achauya. Nyika ino ine mari kupfuura mari ine vanhu. So if you are a prophet, if you are a pastor, you want money, whatever that you want to do in a ministry, go in the mountain, pray to God. Muti Mwari ndiratidze iwo treasure, ndiratidze iwo pane goridhe, woenda zvako unomina gold. That is the good way to get money to help yourself in the ministry. Prophets and pastors, I want to thank you. I have been having prophets invading my inbox and pastors coming to me telling me this is how it goes. Saka my prophets, be wise in the month of March. This is our theme for the month of March. Thank you guys for being here. I wanted to speak with my friends in the prophetic who were invading my inboxes. Ndonya iripo yoyo Maporofita amwari, Porofita inyika, mubatsire vanhu muchivanamatira chaizvo. Kwese kwamuri koko, pangave pasi pemuti, pangave muchiwakwa, pangave mugomo, Porofita inyika. I understand that tine Maporofita anoporofita vanhu. Sei ndinokutsemura mwana wamai, kutsemura zvekutsemura zvizvo kuti usara wakabata gotsi. Saka ndira kuti muende muno Porofita nyika chaizvo. Anditika don't be tempted in the rest of this life. Don't be tempted. Ukaona paiswa Maporofita anofanirwa kungwara. Ukaona howe inodya nyongoro dzinobva nekumusoro kwemvura iri kutsvaga rufu, handiti howe yakangwara inoenda pasi pevhu, ndo painonotora zvekudya ipapo. Howe yese worm yese inouya ichibva pamusoro pemvura ine chirauro, handitika saka Maporofita have to be very wise. I think mabatsirika ipapo Maporofita vaya vanga vachiuya kuma inbox. Don't get to be tempted with tempting offers. Anditi you get rich, you'll be like everyone else. Hakuna chakaitwa ni Mungu chaunotadza kuita wewe. If you want to build a church, you will build even bigger churches. If you want to own houses, you own even expensive houses. Prophets, I believe in you. I believe that we have prophets in Zimbabwe. I believe that we have prophets in Africa. I believe that we have prophets around the world. May God bless the good work that you are doing, guys. I hope one day I will meet you and I will have drink with you guys. God bless you. Anditika, don't fall for tempting offers. Don't fall for tempting offers. All right. Don't fall for tempting offers. Nothing less. Jesus, when he was approached by the tempter, he said, don't put your God on test. You have so much things to do, prophets. You have so much things to go and heal the world and preach the word of God. You have so much to do. We have a lot of people who are suffering in our communities. They need our assistance. So don't use God's power to gamble. Rather use God's power to change people's lives.
So for those who believe in God, I think the scriptures are so clear. One reference was given about Matthew chapter 4. It's very, very clear. You know, I have always said, if you are a man of God, prophets do have levels. You go to the story of Elisha. When he was with the sons of the prophets, these people people who were being trained in the prophetic. These are people who could prophesy to some extent. But when the chest sank into the water, they ran to Elisha and then said, "This is the problem." And he had to intervene. He had to ask God to intervene. And they recovered the eggs. So these are prophets who could also prophesy. But at this point in time, they were helped by the senior prophet who was Elisha. At a certain point in time, a certain king was supposed to go to war. There was a king of Israel. There was a king of Judah. They had to inquire before the Lord. And God had to send a lying spirit to lie to the prophets. Over 400 prophets prophesied and lied. Over 400 prophets couldn't get it right because it was intentional from God himself to send a wrong message so that Ahab goes and dies in the battlefield. So it was only Micaiah who had to come to prophesy. And he said, "I am seeing the children of Israel and Judah without a shepherd." And the king said, "Didn't I warn you that Micaiah won't prophesy anything good about me?" But before Micaiah prophesied like that, he said, "Endai nerugare, muchadzoka nerugare." And the king said, "Since when wakatangari kuporofita uchinditsigira na Micaiah?" Which means Micaiah could see the mind of God, could understand the mind of God. Iwona ndudati muprofita akagona kunhonga chiri muhomwe yamakandiwa eze mandate yaanenge apiwa naMwari chinotadzisa Mwari umwe chete iyeye, chinyiko kuti muprofita azive pane tsinga dzegoridhe oenda unomaina gold owana more than 1 million iri kutaurwa navamakandiwa. We have a lot of alluvial gold muZimbabwe rinongoda just kuti ungofamba hako nekapiki kako kana kafoshoro woteta less than 30 centimeters wotonhonga. All you need is to know the location. Vanhu vaMwari vanogona kuzviita vakada kurarama mararamiro iwayo. If they want to perfect themselves in the spirit, they can do it. I am telling you. Tinema instances ekuti unogona kuenda kugambling chaiko kutonovharisa soka betting shops zvese izvi. Every day ongoenda wondoisa 1000 woti timu yakati iri kuwina, uchidzoka mangwana wane 10,000. If you do it on daily basis for the next 10 days, uchiwana 10,000, that is 100,000. For the next 100 days, uchibata 1,000, 10,000 per day, how much are you going to get? Which means, kana ariwo mashandisirwo aitwa simba raMwari, vanhu vangadai vakapfuma. But you don't need to use the power of God like that. You don't. Makandiwa, if he wanted to test if Maporofita aya ari maporofita echokwadi, aisafanira kuisa offer. Aingotaura kuti wakomana uyai tiprofite, like what Elijah did. Elijah akati chinenge chadyiwa nemoto ndicho chichange chiri chabva kumaprofita chaiwo. Makandiwa ari kuti ndichakupai mari. Elijah akauya netemplate rekuti panofanira kudemonstratwa power. Chakatadzisa Makandiwa chiko kuti auye otaura chinhu chinogona kudemonstrata power. Akatadza nei? Kune vafi vari kumochari uko. Kune zvirema zvakaremara uko. Why can't you go and do it for the benefit of other people, not for the benefit yourselves and the prophets? It's because munozviziva kuti hamugone kunosvinudza mapofu akazara muHarare, kunotwasanudza zvirema zvakazara muHarare. Vanapita vakati sirivheri nendarama hatina, asi nezita raJesu simuka ufambe. Makandiwa ari kuti uya ndikupe miriyoni. Hama dzangu, ngatisafurirwa.
We welcome you to Africa and Beyond Television Network, where we celebrate the past, present, and future of Africa. We invite you to join us in this journey of discovery and to help shape the narrative of our continent. Together, we can create a brighter future for Africa